In today's video, I'm going to show you the process of how to extract zip files on PC. So the first things first, head over to the zip file that you want to extract. Choose a file and then right click on it. Here you can see a bunch of options. To extract it, you can simply click on extract here, or you can also click on extract files. For now, click on extract here. What this will do is it will extract all the files which are in this particular zip folder and then bring it in the same space that you have your zip file downloaded. As you can see, I just extracted this zip file, and all of the files and folders that were inside of this have been extracted to the same folder as the zip file. You could also do extract files. It is also the same process. You can choose any of these options and your files will be extracted.